Good morning children. Today we are going to study about a new lesson, that is all play. So children, when you hear the word play, what comes to your mind? There arises a number of games in your mind like chess, lawn tennis, golf, carom, table tennis, football, cricket, etc. So in this lesson the first question is given to color the right boxes in blue to identify that which are indoor and outdoor games. So children, what do you mean by indoor games? Indoor games are the games that can be played indoors. That means inside our house. Example, carom, chess, ludo, etc. And outdoor games means the games which we play outside our house like golf, basketball, cricket, football, kabaddi, etc. So now you have to identify which are the indoor games and which are the outdoor games. So let us begin with the first one. First one is lawn tennis. So this is a racket sport that can be played individually against a single opponent or between two teams of two players each. So you don't play tennis inside your house. You play it outside. So this is an outdoor game. Next is chess. Chess is a game of two people that is played on a board which with 64 black and white square. Each player has 16 pieces which can be moved according to fixed rules. So chess is the game which we play in our own houses. So this is an indoor game. Third one is golf. So golf is a game that is played outdoors on a large area of grass and in which you use a stick to hit a small hard ball into a series of holes. So this is an outdoor game. Fourth one is carom. So what is carom? Carom is a game played on a square board with colored small dishes, also called coins. You use a larger flat disc called a striker to hit the small dishes into the pockets at the corners of the board. This is the game which we play in our home. So this is an indoor game. Then the last one is table tennis. This is a game with rules like tennis in which you hit a light plastic ball across a table with a small round bat. We usually go to play this game outside our houses. So this is identified as an outdoor game. Now let us move to the next topic. Name the sport. Let us begin with the first one. First one is football. FOOTBALL. So children, what can you see in this picture? That two children are playing something with their foot, right? And there is a ball too. So the name of the game is football. Football is a game that is played by two teams of 11 players who try to kick a round ball into a goal. The next one is badminton. BADMINTON. Badminton is a game for 2 or 4 people in which players hit a type of light ball with feather that is called a shuttlecock over a high net using a racket which is held in the hand. Then third one is hockey. HOCKEY. Hockey is a game that is played on a field by two teams of 11 players who try to hit a small hard ball into a goal with a curved wooden stick. So here you write the name of this game, hockey. Next is fourth one is cricket. 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 Cricket is a game that is played with a bat and ball on a large area of grass by two teams of 11 players. Then the last one is basketball. 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 Basketball is a game of two teams of 5 players. There is a net fixed to a metal ring high up at each end of the court, and the players try to throw a ball through the other team's net in order to score points. That's all in this lesson. Now let us move on the next chapter, that is tricolor. The national flag of India has 3 colors. They are saffron, white and green. The 3 bands of colors are placed one below the other. At the center of the white band is a blue wheel. It is called the Ashoka Chakra. As the flag has 3 colors, it is known as the tricolor. So you do draw the national flag and color it in your book, page number 11. Thank you.